These are the number blocks face recap. Let's start the video. First of all, we make number blocks 1. This is number blocks 1. Attach number block face recap. Number blocks 1. Number blocks 1. Let's make the next number. The number blocks is 2. 2 number blocks. Let's attach it. Okay. Let's add the number block face recap. Wow, it's so tight. This is number blocks 2. This is number blocks 2. Let's make the next number blocks is 3. Here are 3 yellow single blocks. Let's add and make number blocks 3. Let's add number blocks 3 face recap. Wow, it's so tight, so you didn't adjust it. Wow, this is number blocks 3. This is number blocks 3. Let's make the next number. The number blocks is 4. Here are 4 green single number blocks. Let's make a number block 4. 1, 3 and 4. Let's add number block face recap. This is number block 4. This is number block 4. Let's make the next number block is 5. The next number block is 5. Here are 5 single blue blocks. Let's add and mix number blocks 5. First of all, we attach face recap that will make it easily. Three, 4 and last 1. 5. This is number block 5. This is number block 5. Let's make number block 6. Number block 6 is purple color. Let's find 6 purple color or single block. Here are 6 single number block and we make number block 6. Let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. This is number block 6. This is number block 6. Let's add face recap. It's adjust and adjust here. Let's make a number block 7. Number block 7 is multicolor. So we find 7 colors block that make number block 7. Here are 7 number blocks. Let's make number block 7 black and orange. This is the number block 7. This is number block 7. Wow, you will not adjust. This is number block 7. This is number block 7. Let's make the next number block is 8. Number blocks 8. Let's find the 8 pin blocks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 single number blocks. Let's make number blocks 8. Let's make number blocks 8. This is number blocks 8. This is number blocks 8. Let's make number blocks 9. Let's make number blocks 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 number blocks. Let's make number blocks 9. Let's make number blocks 9. Number blocks 9 is square, so we make it easily. This is number blocks 9. This is number blocks 9. Here are 3 blocks and here are 3 blocks. Both sides are 3 blocks. Let's attach here. And lastly we make number blocks 10. Let's find 10 blocks. 1, 2. Number blocks 10 is white. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost we find 10 single number blocks. Let's make number blocks 10. Let's make number blocks 10. Number blocks 10. Five towers on right side and 5 towers on left side. This is number blocks 10. This is number blocks 10.